Saturn by 7Air is a unique product that integrates Bluetooth speaker with side table. It is more than just a piece of furniture. It also brings fine music to your life. It delivers a bass that touches your soul. We call it the Big Bass Energy. Packed with 6600 mAh lithium battery, it not only provides long playback, but also charges other electronic devices. The wooden tabletop has a built-in wireless charger, and on the back there are two USB ports and an auxiliary input jack. The Saturn is mindfully designed with artistic finesse to blend in anywhere from your bedroom, living room, courtyard, or study. Wherever there is Saturn, there is music and a wonderful life. Premium ashwood veneer tabletop, highlighted by delicate embroidery buttons. It is nothing but a perfect combination of wood and fabric for a cozy atmosphere. Saturn is packed with 6 speakers to deliver 360-degree surround sound for a full and clean tone. Let the Saturn speaker attract all eyes and complement your home decor. Share the great times with Saturn.